In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log time and approvals in Zoho Projects. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record your work, mark it as billable or not, and route it for approval so your timesheets stay accurate and audit-ready. Start by opening your project in Zoho Projects. Navigate to the specific task you worked on. This ensures your time is tied to the right deliverable. In the Task Details view, look for the Log Hours or Time Logs section. This is where all your time entries live and where you'll add new ones. Click Add Time Log. A form will open with a few fields. Choose the date you did the work. Select the user who performed the task, which is typically yourself, unless you're logging on behalf of someone else with permission. Enter the number of hours. Zoho supports decimal time, so 3.5 means 3 hours and 30 minutes. This is handy for quick entry without converting minutes. Next, set whether the time is billable or non-billable. Billable hours are usually client-facing and impact invoices, while non-billable hours cover internal tasks like training or admin work. Add a clear note describing what you did, such as the scope of work or milestones reached. Detailed notes help managers approve faster and make future reporting more meaningful. When everything looks good, click Add to save your log. If your organization requires approvals, you'll want to enable that workflow. Go to Settings, then Portal Configuration, then Task and Timesheet, and turn on Time Log Approval. If you don't see this option, you may need the right permissions from your administrator. Once approvals are enabled, users can continue adding time logs as usual. Each entry will carry an approval status, which is typically set to pending by default. For managers or approvers, head to the Timesheet or Time Logs list view to review submissions. You'll see the approval status column for each log. Click the status cell to make a decision, choosing Approved or Rejected. If you reject a log, add a brief reason so the user knows what to correct, whether it's the wrong task, an inaccurate duration, or a missing note. Clear feedback speeds up resubmissions and keeps your records clean. That's it. By recording precise details, marking billable status correctly, and using the approval process, you'll keep your project time accurate, compliant, and ready for reporting or invoicing.